Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we will give a detailed review of the best proof-of-stake cryptocurrencies to consider investing in. We will look more into the features, tokenomics, and price increases for the popular proof-of-stake currencies overall and how they perform in the market. A blockchain-based consensus called proof-of-stake enables cryptocurrencies to verify transactions. Proof-of-stake blockchains are an energy and environmentally friendly replacement for the proof-of-work consensus, have gained popularity in recent years. This is because they are more efficient to implement in the blockchain than previous proof-of-work mechanics. We are going to suggest which proof-of-stake that you should keep a close eye out in the near future. Let's begin with a brand new cryptocurrency called Tamadoge. This NFT takes advantage of the decentralized GameFi market by providing its users with a play-to-earn ecosystem. In the Tamaverse, a metaverse-style environment that draws players by holding tradable NFT competitions, TAMA is the native coin. Players on the Tamaverse can use TAMA to buy Tamadoge pets, which are NFTs with tokenized pets. These 3D avatars have been created as NFTs with the use of smart contracts. Players can buy NFTs and other virtual products on Tamadoge to aid in breeding their 3D pets. Currently, Tamadoge is having one of the best cryptocurrency pre-sales, which has sold more than $16 million of its $19 million initial objective goal. That is a very positive look for this NFT. Tamadoge has developed into one of the cryptocurrencies with the fastest rate of growth after selling out its beta pre-sale hard cap objective of $2 million in just 10 days. TAMA is one of the greatest proof-of-stake coins to invest in since it runs on the Ether network, which has just undergone an update that changed the network's consensus from POW to POS. Currently, investors get access to 50% of the 2 billion tokens that are available during the present pre-sale. TAMA will list 20% of its token supply on several centralized and decentralized exchanges after the round is over. Next on our list is Battle Infinity. Battle Infinity, or IBAT, offers a distinctive decentralized cryptocurrency platform by fusing P2E capabilities with decentralized finance protocols. Because of this, it now offers 6 distinct P2E features and makes use of the native token IBAT, NFTs, and staking protocols. IBAT will feature P2E chances through the IBAT Premier League, a decentralized sports fantasy league where players can earn incentives in response to GameFi's rising popularity among cryptocurrency projects. Members of the platform must have access to the decentralized exchange run by Battle Infinity in order to trade IBAT. In the IBAT-created arena, a virtual ecosystem is thriving where users may utilize VR headsets to participate in performances, events, and other virtual ecosystems. This is made possible in an effort to become one of the greatest metaverse crypto coins. All characters and objects on the battle arena have been created as NFTs using ERC-721 smart contracts. These NFTs can be updated on the IBAT battle market, the NFT marketplace operated securely to maximize user capabilities. In August, IBAT completed the pre-sale of its tokens, which raised 16,500 BNB tokens and sold out in 24 hours. IBAT was introduced on PancakeSwap in August, and since then, its price has increased immensely and is still showing a promising forward momentum. Before we get into our next pick, we would like to inform you about cloud crypto mining and how it is crucial to optimizing blocks in a platform. To verify blocks in cryptocurrency mining, miners must have expensive technology and use a lot of energy. Cloud mining offers a more affordable and practical platform. Some platforms' astronomical fees amplify losses and sharply reduce revenues. The use of cloud mining has the benefit of low, transparent fees. Mining rigs are primarily used to reduce usage costs by procuring the blocks manually, which in the long run can propel users to generate more crypto assets. The hefty beginning expenses of purchasing mining hardware and software raise the entrance barriers, rendering it out of reach for many people. Since platforms supply all of the necessary mining equipment, there is little to no upfront investment in cloud mining. You can access many coins if you use cloud mining. The conventional method of mining a particular coin involves numerous hardware and software. You might need to invest in new machinery if you wish to mine a different coin. By providing many coins on a single platform, cloud mining saves additional fees for mining different coins. The good news is that rates are expected to rise as cloud miners continue to produce remarkable profits. As a result, miners can earn more money while investing the same amount of time and effort. Next on our list is Lucky Block. Through its decentralized network, the NFT competition platform Lucky Block enables users to take part in fair and transparent draws. Huge prizes, including luxury cars, homes, and $1 million in Bitcoin giveaways, are up for grabs for participants. Lucky Block holds NFT draws, and everyone interested must buy local NFTs that are produced on the platform. For owners of the Platinum Rollers Club NFT collections, for instance, LBLOCK holds exclusive Platinum competition draws. LBLOCK will rank among the most popular proof-of-stake cryptocurrency assets to trade after Ether makes the long-awaited transition to the POS consensus. Both the MEXC exchange and Gate.io, two well-known CEXs, have listed the ERC20 token. Next we have Cardano. The proof-of-stake consensus is the foundation of the open-source Cardano platform, which offers a decentralized and peer-driven blockchain. With the help of the POS protocol Ouroboros, Cardano made it possible for the network to provide staking pools where owners of ADA can transfer their stake. Staking pools guarantee the upkeep of the staked assets and approve Cardano transactions. Cardano's average transaction cost is approximately 0.16 ADA, as POS protocols offer less expensive transactions. Cardano launched in 2017, and in 2021 it implemented the Alonzo hard fork, enabling the blockchain to handle smart contracts and introduce a number of NFTs and dApps. Within 24 hours of the Alonzo upgrade, Cardano released more than 100 smart contracts, which led to a spike in the price of ADA in September 2021. Cardano's ADA, which is currently trading at 47 cents, has fallen from its all-time highs of $3.10 reached in 2021. However, it is one of the cryptos with the greatest development potential due to the expanding use cases and the low cost efficiency. After research on Cardano, take a look more into Binance, or BNB. The governing token of Binance, the largest cryptocurrency exchange in terms of trade volume, is BNB. BNB uses the BEP standard to integrate smart contracts and runs on the Binance Smart Chain. BNB utilizes the Proof-of-Stake Authority consensus, which permits validators to stake a predetermined amount of BNB to ratify network transactions. With a market cap of $45 billion, the token is the fifth largest cryptocurrency asset. BNB offers a number of advantages to Binance users as the primary exchange token. The site offers investors a 25% discount on spot cryptocurrency trades, which typically costs 0.1% per transaction. Additionally, holders of BNB can get a 10% discount on futures trading. The Well-Like token is additionally utilized as a trading platform by buyers of other cryptocurrencies based on BEP. For example, in order to buy Battle Infinity, investors must use BNB to complete the process entirely. BNB is now available to purchase for about $280 after reaching an ATH of $690 in 2021. We now arrive at Solana. Solana uses a cutting-edge protocol to make quick and secure decentralized blockchains to validate its blocks. To enable the network to handle transactions as they come in, Solana employs the groundbreaking proof-of-history protocol. The protocol architecture enables Solana to execute 65,000 transactions per second, resulting in tremendous throughput. However, the Ether blockchain, on the other hand, processes data at a rate of 17 TPS on average. Solana is the perfect network for decentralized apps because of its excellent scalability, which allows developers to scale Solana to extremely high levels. As the token climbed from 78 cents in 2020 to $33 in September 2022, Sol has proven to be one of the top altcoins to invest in. Another Layer 1 network that supports smart contracts and serves as a hub for decentralized applications and private blockchain networks is Avalanche. Avalanche, a well-known proof-of-stake cryptocurrency, supports 6,500 TPS. The innovative blockchain architecture of Avalanche allows for the fast transaction speeds. The cryptocurrency is made up of 3 distinct blockchains, each of which participates in a different aspect of the transaction validation process. On Avalanche, money is sent and received using the exchange chain. The platform chain manages the staking, validator transactions on the Avalanche network, while the contract chain handles the transactions produced by dApps or smart contracts. The native token, AVAX, has a market worth of $5.6 billion and is now trading at $19. It's time to mention Algorand. Algorand, or ALGO, is a self-sustaining blockchain network which uses the pure proof-of-stake consensus, which is a little different from the POS method. Users of the PPOS network are chosen at random to validate blocks and cast votes for proposals. The amount of ALGO a user stakes affects the likelihood that they will be chosen. In order to ensure that minority shareholders do not have the authority to undermine the entire system, Algorand's special consensus works to strengthen security. The London Bridge, a trustless bridge that connects the network to the Ethereum blockchain, was also created by Algorand in 2022. Algorand's long-term goal is to strengthen its DeFi ecosystem. ALGO is now trading for 30 cents per coin. The proof-of-work network has already been accused of consuming an excessive amount of energy to support the operation. Therefore, proof-of-stake was developed as a more expedient and economical method of transaction validation. Many blockchains are able to become more scalable while swiftly adding new blocks to the blockchain thanks to the POS consensus. In fact, emerging altcoins like Cardano, Solana, and Algorand, all of which have implemented this consensus, have become a serious rival to Ether. As we can see now, Ether is undergoing a network upgrade that will cause it to migrate from the proof of work to the proof of stake. The popularity of proof of stake is currently at its pinnacle. This is due to the token's high likelihood of sustainability in the long run. The future is extremely bright for these new projects, and we hope you have learned something about our top picks. Are there any that you think we may have left out? Please let us know in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching. See you soon.